In this video, I'll show you how to check your Deepseek settings. Ensure you subscribe and turn on notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if you want to check your Deepseek settings, what we're going to do right now, head over to your Deepseek, right? And for us to check the settings, what we're going to do right now, if you click on this profile, you're going to see the setting, click on the setting. Now on the setting, you see the language, you see the theme, you see the profile, you see everything you need to see, right? And if you would love to do this, you can do this as well. This, and everything you need to see, right? So this is basically how you can check your Deepseek settings. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna do what I did previously. So head over to your profile, click on the settings. You'll be able to see everything you need to see, right? So thank you guys for watching through the video. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.